Hi everyone, how are you today? It's so good to see you. Baby Echo has a joke for you. Are you ready? Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? Echo, I don't know. Why? She was a little horse. Do you get it? Sometimes when you're hoarse, it means your throat hurts. But it's a play on words because a pony is a baby horse. She was a little horse. Ah, that's a good one, Echo. You're so silly. Okay, what do you say we get started with our warm up? Are there any sounds that have been tricky for you? Okay, well, we will try to practice some of those tricky sounds. Oh, sound cards, where are you? Aha, I found some of them. Here we go. V, van, v. Y, yellow, y. Don't forget, echo it back. Repeat it after me. K, kite, k. D, dog, d. A, apple, a. N, nut, n. Nice job. Now let's do some of our standard cards. A, apple, a. B, bat, b. E, ed, eh. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. U, up, X, fox, x. I like to make the X with my arms. It's kind of fun. Try it. Awesome. Nice job. And what do you say we sing our vowels? Today, Baby Echo and I are going to try to sing it in a really high voice. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, N, eh. I, O, octopus, ah. U, up, Whew, that high voice was a little tricky. How did you guys do with it? Well, that's okay. The more important thing is that you did the vowel sound correctly. Okay. And now we're going to play a little game. Okay, for this game called Make It Fun, I'm going to show you how to play once or twice, and then you're going to pause the video and play on your own. So when you play, you're going to want to have your tile board out, the one with all the little Velcro letters. And you're going to close your eyes and use your finger and see what letter it lands on. And then the first thing you're going to ask yourself and say, what is the name of this letter? L. Very good. What is the sound of the letter? Oh. And name 3 words that start with this letter. Lemon, licorice, and lucky. And then the next thing we'll do is make the letter. So it's skywriting time. Have your 2 fingers up. Be picturing your grid as you do this. And we, for the letter L, point to the skyline and go down to the grass line. L, lamp, O. Okay, so I really want you to do this on your own. Pause the video here, and I want you to do it with 4 turns. So you'll close your eyes, and you'll point to a letter, and you're going to say the letter's name, the sound, and 4 words that start with it. Okay, be honest, do that, and then when you're done, come back. You're back. Hi, guys. Can you tell me the 4 letters that you did? Okay, nice job. So the next thing we're going to do is practice our tapping. And we're going to practice tapping to read. So let's take a look. Here is your first word. I'm going to build down here. Okay, remember when we tap to read, we need to say the sound each letter makes and then blend it together to make the word. So elbows up, And here we go. It, fit. Do your glasses fit you okay? Mine do. Okay, and now let's spell it away. F I T. Okay, my friends, let's try another word. I want you to try to tap this one on your own. What's the word? Pat. At. Pat. What does pat mean? Oh, you're going to pat my head? Oh, yeah, like the Patriots. We call them the Pats. Very good. Okay, get ready. I want you to read this next one all by yourself. Tap and read. What is the word? Not. Not. Broccoli is not everyone's favorite. Good reading. Let's try this one. Go ahead, tap and read. What's the word? Bin. Bin. Did you use your fingers to help? In. Bin. I like to organize my toys in a bunch of different bins. Okay, friends, let's try one more all by yourself. What does this word say? Jug. And yeah, that's right. Jug is our key word for J. J, jug, jug. Okay, very nice tapping and reading, everybody. Now we're going to practice tapping to spell. So remember, this is where I say a word and I tap it out to help me think of all the sounds and write it or build it. Let's try the word nut. Let's tap it. T. So there were 3 taps. There will be 3 cards. What was the first one? That's like up. You. And the ending sound was what? T. Very good. The sound was T, which is T. And then we tap it to check it and make sure it says nut. 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 We did it. Let's try another one. Okay. I want you to open up your tile board and I want you to try to build these words. Okay? Your word is sun. Elbows up, let's tap it. S, build it. Remember, we don't blend it because we're not trying to read it. We're trying to separate those sounds. S, Bring your letters down and try to build it. Pause it here and come back after you did it. You're back. Let's check. Did you check it before you came back to me? Always tap it to read to check it. Sun. Sun. Good. And now let's spell it away. F U. Whoopsies, my S goes up here. You always want to make, and my U goes down here. Blah. If you try to go too fast, our alphabet will get messed up. So you always want to take the time to make sure we're in the right order. N. Okay, here's your next word. Pot. Say it back to me. Good. Tap it out and build it. Pause here. Come back after you've built it. You're back. I hope you checked your pot and check my pot. Oh no, and if you're boiling some water, go check that pot too. Haha. Let's spell away our letters. Put them back on your tile board in the right spot. P O T. Very nice job, my friends. Okay, let's do one more word. Let's do the word big. Tap it, build it, check it. Pause here and build it. Okay, check your big to my big. Do they match? Let's spell it away. B I G. Nice job, friends. And we're going to do a new activity today. This is the last part of our lesson. You need your whiteboard. It's in that protective sheet, and you need a dry erase marker. If you don't have those yet, pause here so you can go grab them. And this is called a dictation. It means I'll say a word, you'll repeat it, and you'll write it on your board. Okay? So you are definitely ready to write a word. Let's try this word, pit. So first you need to repeat it. Say pit. And now tap it out with me. P, it. Okay, let's write it just like if you were to build it, but let's write it and really make sure we stay on the right lines when we write pit. Do it with me. P, what letter? P, I, T. So we have to name the letters that go with each tap. P is P, I, T. Okay, check your pit to mine. Did your P go all the way down to the worm line? Did your T start up in the sky? Very nice, everybody. Okay, let's do another one. So we'll keep pit there. Let's go down to our next line and try this word. Repeat after me. Mad. Tap it. D. Name the letters that go with each tap and write it. Pause here to write mad. Okay, if you're not sure if your letters are going the right way, before you look at mine, check it on your own. Look on your tiles or look in your student notebook to help you. What letter says that first sound, You have an M, good. What letter says ah? A. And the last sound, D. What letter was that? D. Okay, you're ready to check yours to mine. Pause here if you need to fix it up. Okay, you're back. Let's do one more. Repeat after me. Rap. I like to listen to rap music. Okay, tap it. A, P. Write the letters that go with those sounds. Pause if you need to write and check rap. Okay, now check it with mine. Is R, A is A, P is P. Rap. Okay, what are the three words we wrote? Can you read them with me? Pit, mad, rap. Great job today, everybody. You worked hard. You read words, you built words, and you even wrote words. And I hope if you made mistakes, you fixed them. That's the most important part about school, making mistakes and fixing them. That's what learning is all about. Never giving up and getting a little bit better each time. I hope that you're having fun with this at home. If you have a little time left over until your next activity, you can always practice more words on your own or build more words. The fun doesn't have to stop just because our video for the day does. All right, Baby Echo and I will be back tomorrow with a new joke. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends.